10 reasons why you need a light designer with planning, pre-programming and pre-visualization skill to make your next awesome production. Lighting sets the mood. A light designer can use the pre-visualization skill to design lighting that sets the tone of the event or the concert. No second chance. With a high priority event, there may not be a second chance to get it right. Having a light designer with planning skills ensures the success of the show. Lighting enhances the performance. A light designer can enhance the performance by highlighting the key moments, creating a visual interest, and keeping the audience engaged to the performance. Safety is a key. A light designer can ensure that the lighting rig is safe and meets safety regulations, preventing any accidents or incident during the event or concert. Making memorable experiences. A light designer can create memorable experiences for the audiences by using their skill to make the light design unique and special. Design with purpose. A light designer can use pre-planning and pre-visualizing skills to design lighting that serves the purpose, such as highlighting the sponsor or creating a special ambience. Attention to detail. A light designer with planning skills can pay attention to every detail and make sure everything is coordinated, ensuring a smooth and flawless event or concert. Professionalism and creativity. A light designer can bring professional and creative touch to the event or a concert, making it stand out and leave a lasting impression on the audiences. Collaboration with the VJs and sound engineers. A light designer can work with VJs and sound engineers to create an impactful show and ensure the technical things are right in sync. Investing in quality. By investing in skilled light designers with pre-visualization and planning capabilities, event managers and show producers can ensure the success of their high-priority event and create a reputation of quality and excellence.